All right, all right, all right. What is up? I am in Santorini, and this is the last day of me being in Santorini. Tonight I will be coming back to Crete, and I'm pumped for it to go around and just romance the Crete island. Okay, so far, I mean, like, I like the Perisa beach, I like the Kamari beach. It has nice vibe to it and has a nightlife to it, and Fera also has a nightlife. I went to the Red Beach. Red Beach was also nice, but it was pretty busy and crowded. And then this beach, it is, I guess, called Caldera Beach. Caldera. Please correct me if I'm pronouncing it in a wrong way. We learn all the times. So, Caldera Beach is not commercialized. It is not so much advertised. It's very like straightforward. This is a beach. You just can come here, park your car, and you don't even have to go close to the like coffee shops and taverns. But it is a very good thing to have a coffee shop or a restaurant here, because you may want to drink something or you may want to eat something. Okay, but if you are somebody who is at all not interested in buying things and into that kind of lifestyle, you can just walk from here to the beach, and then just put your towel, and there are shades, trees. We will walk there and have a good time. Caldera Beach. I will leave an exact link to this place so you can find and you can come here and have a good time. Yeah. Until then, let me know what do you think of this place, or what are the other places in Santorini, so I can next time come and cover them as well. The quality of the sand is same as the Red Beach. It looks red, and on the upper side it looks a little bit black. I think it's due to the stones and the sand getting wet. It gets like a reddish color to it, and upper side has a black color to it, which I think it is pretty much the same story at the Red Beach, but because it is advertised and it's known as a Red Beach, so you have to be there. Although I noticed some cars really struggling to go uphill because it is pretty steep, and if it's not like a 4x4, and if you are more than two people in the car, and if you are running your AC, your car will really struggle. So this is a good alternative for those of you who cannot go to the Red Beach, or it's just not convenient at the time. So Caldera Beach is a good option. It's very nice. I personally like it. It kind of gives me a little vibe of Crete, but it's red. Yeah, it is red, and it's not commercialized and it's not advertised. So I guess those of you who are into these authentic experiences are gonna love this beach. Yeah. And the way it looks, you can see the Fera from here, you can see the active volcano from here, and you can see pretty much everything. And the textures, like, I don't know how to call it in English, but I will show you. Look at this, how cool it is. So you saw how cool the textures are because of the ashes and the volcano and the whole thing. And yeah, I kind of like, and I can recommend this beach to be here. It is away from the city, so the water is also super clean, and it kind of reminds me of Terza. It's reminding me of Terza because it has this corner, if you remember Terza, then you can like walk around and there is another beach. It is kind of the same vibe and feeling, and you have also yourself a table here in case you are somebody who is into partying. You can bring like a loudspeaker and a few beers, just party here for a little while. And you have also some shadow. I'm pretty sure at the sunset time it will be busy, it can get crowded, but yeah, if you wait here, then you can have like a sunset party, beer, music here, because the sun will directly go down in that, hopefully in that area, so you will get to have also the sunset in the background and having a good time. It could be also a nice place for a birthday, a celebration, or for a proposal, or whatever you got, whatever idea you can come up with. Yeah. So, and it's lots of people written lots of memories and names over there, which I will show you too. Yeah, so now I will be taking a small little walk towards the port and the boats, and also I can see there are some scuba divers scuba diving. Of course, it is greasy. Yeah, to show you that area, and I can see they already have one of them a flag there. It means like somebody is already diving, scuba diving in that area. The sad news, the bad news is that I forgot my diving glasses, mask on Crete. I should have brought it because a little unexpected things can occur. I wasn't expecting this from Santorini, and I think there are places like this even more in Santorini that I should be discovering and bringing it to you, so you get to know like Santorini is not just about the Fera or about Ia or about those commercialized places. It has its originality to it. It still is a decent island, small decent island that you can have some amazing experiences from here, fabulous experiences. I'm gonna walk now towards where the coffee shop is and where the divers are and the boats are, to give you an overview of that area as well. Alright, so what I have learned, I need to like fix myself. this diving school here is PADI, and then here we have another diving school which is SSI. So yeah, you could be a fan of SSI or you could be fan of PADI. So you have the option to choose from both. And I met here Joel. If you come to this area and you meet Joel, he's a young boy, about 17 or 16 or 18-year old. Amazing dude. He helped me with understanding the area, and he also gave me like a secret tip to go up there, how to like jump into the sea, which I will also consider trying. Yeah. And then here we have the boat. As you can see, too many boats here. I guess on the video from Akrotiri I also showed this beach from a perspective, a drone perspective, which I don't have with me. Drone, they say flying drone in Santorini is prohibited. For what reason? But I need to look into it, because I was not trying to break the rules and get a huge ticket for it. So yeah, maybe I will look into it, and if I can find a way to make it happen, to be able to capture this beauty with a drone and show it to you in a very proper way, so you really truly understand the real authenticity of this beautiful island with this beautiful like beaches in it. Yeah. All right, folks. Oops. This was it for Caldera beach. It's a pretty nice little authentic piece of Santorini, which is the same as it was once upon a time. Not much going on, just two diving schools and no umbrellas, nothing. As you can see, the whole beach is just open and free, and I love that on an island such as Santorini you can find places like this, and I'm pretty sure there are more of places like this that I should be coming to explore and show it to you. Yeah, so hope you like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts, or maybe one of those places that I should be looking into next time coming to Santorini. Let me know in the comment section so I can go there. I will do also my research on Google Maps and everything, but if you know something make life easier for me, let me know. It will be already much appreciated. And if you want to support the channel, support me, my PayPal account link and my Patreon account link in the description. And if you are already having a good time and finding these videos valuable, then consider subscribing. Yeah. Other than that, until the next time, peace.